Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic project charter. Friend, this is a topic which is directly related to project management and with respect to PMI, PMBOK project management body of knowledge, we will see this topic in detail. Friend, this is a very important topic with respect to project management, especially friend if you are studying project management and you are willing to give exam of PMP or you are planning to give exam of project management in university level. So friend, a project charter is a very important topic with respect to exam point of view, and you will see at least 10 to 15 questions in the exam which are directly related to this topic, so that you can understand that how much it is important to understand the concept of project charter. Also friend, with respect to professional life of project management, and as a professional project manager, this topic, this concept, this document is very important, and you must have to know about it, and you must have to know that how to use this top document in the professional and practical life of project management. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Project charter. First of all, see, project charter, this is a topic related to project management. If I ask from you that do you know about the definition of a project? Friend, project is a temporary activity which has a beginning and ending point, and it gives you a unique output or product. That is called as a project. For example, if you are implementing an e-commerce solution for a customer, and we have to complete that project within 4 months. After 4 months the project will finish. Okay, so we will say that we will call it as a project. Why? Because after 4 months the project will finish, resources will be released, and no more expenses will be there on the project. So friend, project is, remember, first of all try to understand the definition of a project. Project is a temporary activity which has a beginning and ending point, and it gives you a unique output or product. Now friend, if you can understand the concept of a project, the project is managed by a project manager. Just think of a person or a leader who is managing all the things related to project. Okay, all the things related to project, and he must have to be a leader, he must have to be a main working force, you can say, and main motivational force to complete that project. That is that person called as a project manager. Now, project charter. Friend, project charter is a formal, typically short document that describes your project in its entirety, including what the objectives are, how it will be carried out, and who the stakeholders are. Friend, project charter, simply see these two terms: project charter. Project charter. So, project, think of a simply a Word document, 1 or 2 page document which describes basically what is your project, what is your objectives, and what you want to achieve, and who will be the main stakeholders, what will be the budget. So think of a project charter document as a simply a Word document. What you want to achieve, what is your objective, and who are the main stakeholders, who will carry out all the things, etc, etc. So these types of issues, these types of things will be mentioned in the project charter document. Okay, for example friend, just take the same example of e-commerce solution. If you are implementing the e-commerce solution, so what is your objective? Your objective is that your revenue or sales should increase after the implementation of e-commerce solution, online e-commerce solution. Your main stakeholders are project management team, project manager, and the main stakeholder from customer side. Okay, what is your budget? Like for example, just take an example, like for example, $4,000 is your budget, just take an example. Okay, and what actually, how you will achieve it, like for example within 4 months you will achieve that project, you will complete that project. Okay, so all these types of things at a high level, you just imagine this as a one page or two page document of Word in which you describe all those things. That is called as a project charter. Now, friend, project charter, what should be included in the project charter? High level, friend, reasons for the project, why you want to achieve that project. You can think of a business case, pain points, pain areas, that why someone wants to do that project, what is the reason to start a project. Then what is your objectives, constraints, limitation of a project, who are the main stakeholders in the implementation, what are the risk you are thinking about project, what are the issues in a project, what are the benefits which you are thinking that after the implementation of project you will achieve, and the budget of a project. Okay, so friend, just think of a Word document in which you should mention all those things. First of all, what is your objective, why you want to start that project, why you want to initiate that project. Then what is the main, who are the main stakeholders, like project management team from customer side, from vendor side, senior management team from customer side, vendor side, the technical team, database team, etc., etc. Who are the main core team in the implementation of a project, who what are the risks which you are thinking that will be involved in the implementation of project, what are the issues, what are the benefits you are expecting that after the implementation of project you will achieve, and the overview of the budget, friend, that what is the budget of overall budget of a project. Now friend, these are the main things which will be included in the project. Now friend, how to create the project charter process, what is the process to create a project charter document? First of all, friend, you must have to understand the goal and objective. Why, what is the goal, objective of a project, why you are initiating that project? First of all, try to understand this thing. For that purpose, you must have to sit with the customer. First of all, you have to sit with the person who is initiating a project. So you have to sit with him, discuss with him that why he wants to start, why he wants to initiate that project. So friend, project charter, first of all, the most important thing is the goal, the objective of a project. If the objective is clear in your mind, then it will be easier for you to make a project charter. For example, you are initiating the e-commerce solution because you want to increase your sale, okay, or you want to increase your customer base. Okay, so all these things, you want to initiate the mobile application for through which customers can do fund transfer for a bank. So what is your objective? Mainly your main objective is that you want to facilitate the customer. So friend, this is very important to whenever you are making the project charter, that the objective of a project should be clear. Then list down the roles of a project. For example, who are the main stakeholders which will involve, for example, project manager, technical lead, database engineer, etc. So the senior management, from customer side, the senior management, project management, and the database engineer. So all those persons from important persons from both sides or core roles should be mentioned in the project charter. The third point is that the implementation plan should be mentioned. Implementation plan, for example, within 4 months you will complete, within 6 months you will complete. So the duration of a project, the implementation plan should be mentioned, like what are the milestones, dependencies, timelines, etc. So all those things should be mentioned. Problem areas should be also be mentioned, like if you are seeking, if you are expecting any risk in a project, so it should be clearly mentioned. If you are expecting any issues in a project, so it should have to be clearly mentioned. If there are any constraints, assumptions, so those assumptions, constraints should also be mentioned in the project charter document. Friend, in the last I just want to show you a very simple document, like just simply the project name, problem statement, like what is the pain areas, business case, what are the benefits you are expecting, your goal, the timelines, scope, team members. So this is a very simple document, project charter, which I just want to show you a sample document so that you can get an idea that a project charter, just think of a project charter, a one page document of Word, or you can say you can also make it in a Microsoft Excel as well. So it's a one page document, not more than a one page document, on which simply you just see one page or two page document in which you just see all the things in a very short, with a very short summary. So that is called as, friend, the project charter document. So friend, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time.